NRB ग्रुपान ब्रेस्तारा वास्को शारात 1930 वास्को शॉपिंग मॉलाचे उक्तावण केले. ह्या इमारतीत मिनीप्लेक्स, थिएटर, फूड कोर्ट आणि कांय रिटेल शॉपांचो आस्पाव आसा. आरडीएक्स खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Vasco is a unique experience for the city, for the citizens of Vasco. It's a Miniplex, 2 theatres having a 74-seater and a 43-seater. The 43-seater is with the recliners. It's one of the first in Vasco, in Goa, with the entire theatre with the recliners. We have 2 theatres and 4 floors of retail, which we are looking at getting brands from in Goa, outside Goa. Also has a basement parking for 45 cars. So we encourage people from Vasco, from Margao, Panjim, all over Goa to come and have an experience of 1930.
This is a Miniplex, means small and beautiful. This has got 2 auditoriums with 74-seater semi-recliners and 43-seaters which has got full reclining. You'll have 180-degree push back and sleep and enjoy them. The picture is shown in the high resolution of 1920 1080. You can enjoy the movie with full spirit. The movies are transmitted through satellite or online. The first show will be shown here at Vasco. I all appeal to the people of Vasco to come and enjoy the movies. We soon would like to have the 2K movie so that you can always find the English movies released on the first day, first show.